Okay, we're going to, got a problem with the connector here. Quickly show you. And I will have to do a repair. So give me a second here and we'll start this up. Here we go. Alright, let's turn this on. In the back here. Where is it? Yeah, there we go. Tuner. Alright, let's see. Is it going to go? Yeah, look. We got input. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I turned the volume down. There we go. Turn it down a little more. Oh, I gotta clean that. Oh, I gotta clean the pots. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we gotta clean the pots. Clean the pots? Okay. Now watch. I must have tripped over it once, or I don't know, bumped it after all this time. I usually run it up and in, coming in, but so in case you do hit it, you're not gonna unplug it or trip it. But I must have somebody. We share this in our band. I play some bass and another guy plays some bass. We switch it around a few times on stage. But yeah, we got a show next week. I need to have it ready. Okay, but it's not a bad little kit. Pumps out the volume. Behringer, you can say whatever you want on them, but this is, I've had this over 10 years. 2006, I believe. 2006 I got this, and this just started happening. So there's never been any other problem. Well, there's that little scratchy here, but it's already going away. And yeah. Alright. I'll do a follow-up when I see the problem. It's got to be just that jack. And I can see the jack moving there. You can kind of see if it'll focus there. Hopefully it's just off on the inside. Now, I don't know how it is, if it's soldered directly to the board, to a PCB or to a main board, or if that's here and then there's lines going to the board. We don't know. I have to open it up and see. This one is for the active, but I don't use active. I guess it sounds different. You see? Probably an attenuation on that one, I would assume. Yeah, because look at the input. Input doesn't go as much, so there's probably some sort of attenuation on that one. Oh. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm going to have to really... Oh, what's going on here? Alright. Oh, wait. Oh, I think it's a board then. Because both of them. What? Oh, okay. I'm going to have to check them both then, huh? Alright, we got to open it up regardless. That sucks. Okay. Alright. Got to do it, man. Over and out.